Hello my people, how you doing? Happy Easter. I'm just here in nature. Decided to go to the beach. I had a calling. Let me go stand on my stones. As you all know, my relationship with stones. My name is Stone, right? Yeah, so let me just be with my nature family for a bit. Get that good air from the ocean. And there's the salt that comes from that as well. All the minerals that come from that. And of course, I'm connecting a lot to my family, the stones. I've been asked to stand on this one and that one. And I'm gonna jump out of it. I'll take a walk around. Show you guys as I go. By the way, this is like Balbriggan Beach. I've never been to this section before. I've always been to the section on the other side. But this is beautiful. It's cool. I like it. I love it. I'm gonna just take a walk down to that side over there. Over there. And see what's going on. See what's popping over there. You guys join me as I go. What is this? It appears to be a little stream. Gotta be intrigued with nature. I'm intrigued. I just want to know, where does that water come from? The sound of that is so healing. You hear that? That sounds so good. All right. Let's keep moving. What is that? That looks pretty interesting. That looks pretty interesting. The cliffs. Got one. Whenever I come to nature or beach, I always go home with stones, shells. I just can't stop myself. It's as if the stones and shells call out to me. Like, I'm gonna go home with you. At some point I'm like, I can't take all of you home. You gotta wait until my next time. So I got a pocket full of stones and I'm like, it feels so cool just to take the energy of the sea and the beach back home with me. So this one, some of them just stand out for some reasons. So this one's coming with me. Yeah. I'm gonna need to stop after this one. That's what I say. But let's see how much I end up taking. I told myself, you know, when you get on that bitch, bro, just don't take that much. Maybe 2 or 3 or 4 or 5. I thought I thought I could do it, like, you know, and not take no shells or take no stone, but I don't know. It's just natural. It's just something about these things that called to me, and I just gotta do it. You know, I just gotta do it. So this is going in my pocket, left pocket for you. All right. See, there we go. Okay. You know what? One more and that's it. No. Another one more, that's it. So let me move in threes. We're like playing in the third dimension, or whatever they want to call it, in the fourth dimension. Fourth density is time. So everything is in a trinity. And we got polarity, which is in a trinity, really good and bad, and then neutrality in the middle of it. We got the triangle, trees, the magic number, sacred geometry, 3, 6, 9, 12, the calendar months that was made after the original natural cycle, which was 13, which is still 13. Some people still celebrate New Year's after the 13th month. So I think the Ethiopians do that. I think that's the Chinese calendar does that as well. I gotta clarify that. You guys can clarify that for me. But anyways, nature calls. Let's keep moving. Still here. Yo, what's up? Yeah, my boy. It's popping. This is Dublin, the Republic of Ireland. Balbriggan. Gotta touch the water. Bless myself for the holy Easter divine week and day. Blessings. Blessings to all y'all. Blessings to you. Yo, what's up, bro? Danik, what's poppin'? That's what's going on. Yeah, let's do this. Usually, I would have gone on this stone path right here. I would have explored it like that. Like that. But I'm a bit, because I'm holding this phone. Yeah, I'm also doing the human thing, trying to stay safe. Because one of my hands I'm using to hold this phone, so I need both hands. I got balance, but I need both hands, you know. And when I'm connected with nature, I don't have any technology usually, but I'm just expressing this, sharing this with you guys. So for those of you who feel the benefits of connecting with nature, just a walk on the beach, that's enough. The air, everything is so healthy. And you could go deeper, you could go into energy levels or spiritual levels. You connect to the divine, you connect to the source, you connect to nature. It's the divine in its purest. So if you want to say, going to the other side, religion or cultures, you could say it's God's creation in its purest, as we are all God's creation. I'm taking it that you guys are listening to me. You can hear me. I got a loud mouth. I don't need no microphone. That's why I bust the mic whenever I do. I don't need to put a freestyle here right now. Just watching nature, seeing everything going here. All right. Now I ain't gonna do that because you guys gotta pay me. Yeah? Okay, let's do this. Nah, you don't need to pay me. This is free of charge, but I ain't in the mood for freestyles. I'm a lyricist though, not a freestyle champion, but I can freestyle. This is freestyle like this. You see me in my elements. Right there. All right. We're gonna take some more walk over there. And then I'm gonna start walking back. And I'll close the life. And then I'm gonna start walking back. And I'll close the life. So basically, with just myself and my divine and my divinity, and I could communicate, because you can communicate with all this nature, you know, this is, and I do that. All right, time to start walking back. Love, peace, and love, peace, and happiness. Love, peace, and fulfillment, and balance, and uniqueness. Be yourself. Be that part of the jigsaw of humanity that benefits the whole. Allow me to express myself. Let me be. Let me go see what the seagulls are doing. I speak a little seagull language. I'm gonna ask them how many fishes they got today. They know I don't eat fish, so they ain't scared of me. I mean, I eat fish, but, you know, I'm not gonna eat their fish, like, it's for them, you know. They're already talking like the dude said he don't eat fish, but we know he eats fish. Okay, check this out. I wish I could take that home. This is a tricky one. This is a tricky one. Okay. Life is tricky anyways. Alright. What we got over here? They all run away. Yeah, I understand. I get you guys. I understand. I understand. I was coming too close. The dogs love it out here. Yeah, I gotta go step on my stones again. Stepping stones. Feel their energy. I'm just not ready. If not, my shoes, I'll take them off so I could be barefooted. But, nah. If I had octopus hands, like 4 hands or 8 hands, I only got 2. So, okay. Oh, it just feels so good stepping on the stones, man. And you guys hear that? The birds. It's beautiful, right? I wonder who left that there. No judgments. Trying to do something interesting. I invite a guest. Yama boy, let me see if you could come in here. Invitation sent. All right. Got a video call. Can I do that? Okay, this is still on. So yeah, just you guys see the whole thing before I start driving. Yeah, so that's what's up. So I try inviting you guys. I don't know how that works. Invitation sent. So what's the deal with this? Invite Luis, Calvin. Okay. Invitation sent, invitation sent. Alright, so what are we doing? I'm gonna start driving now. I'm just playing with this. So I got the invitation sent, so what's up? Oh, this is interesting. Let me go check what this is. This looks so interesting. Never been here before. I'm gonna go check it out. See what I'm seeing? Looks like a silo or something like that. That's a castle over there. Right there. Jeez. Thank you. What is this? I'm curious, but I'm not a cat. Curiosity ain't gonna kill me. I was never born, I'll never die. I came not with this physical, it grew over time, and I'm gonna let it down when I'm done. My spirit just remains. And I'm grateful for creation, for helping me out with this physical apparatus, this beautiful physical apparatus. What is this? I guess it doesn't have any door, but I'm gonna check it out. It's like a silo, like a lighthouse. It used to be a lighthouse or something like that. It's good to come around it though. What's this? Weekly ranking, something. There's a lot of things going on TikTok, man. You guys enjoy. There's a lot of games and stuff. I play the game of life. That's the neutral one. It's natural as it is. Whatever I'm doing, that's it. That's what you get. I'm interested enough. I amaze myself already. But if it's cool enough, maybe I'll play. Yeah. I'd rather chase the moment. Whatever's going on right now, whatever my spirit self is bringing to me, so I could explore, so I get my fulfillment. Alright, gotta go. I'm here now. So you guys stay blessed. Remember, stay true to yourself, and that'll make your dreams come true. That's in one of my lyrics. Be yourself. Stay in the love that you are. Find peace. Whatever it is, whatever helps you get there. So you can play, so joy and happiness can be harnessed from yourself. It can come out of you. Because that's what you truly are. The joy of creation. Yeah? I'll show you guys the ocean one more time before I'm out. And to my dudes out there, salute. Much love. That's what's up. Stay strong. One.